Hi, if you're new here, I'm Kathy, and I post luxury handbag reviews, travel, lifestyle, and daily life here in New York City. Today, I'm taking you with us to Korea! I'm going for 2 weeks with my husband, and I'm so excited to take you with me as we eat, shop, and explore new and old favorites together. I just landed in Korea, and the reason why I'm covering my lips is because I actually just went to the clinic literally as soon as I landed to get something done. You'll have to watch my glow up video. Actually, it doesn't look too bad on camera. I'm just really swollen right now because I literally just had the procedure. I'm gonna meet up with Andrew now because he's actually touring around the markets while I was getting something done at the clinic. So I'm gonna meet him now. To gwangjang. Let's go find Andrew. Found him. So this place is known for making tteokbokki with radish. I love Ooh, it's crispy. My favorite. I ate here before, I think like 2 years ago, but he's never tried it. So I think we're most likely gonna share a bowl so that we don't get too full.
어서 오세요. 메뉴판 다시려라 전화. 동이라 밥 먹고 와.
Oh man, my lips look so busted. Wait, it looks like real fruit.
Yeah.
Hangang 시장 is always so busy, and also this drink is really good. The more I drink it, and it's not too sweet. Now we're at the Hyundai place that also came out on Netflix. It's crispier than I thought it would be. I'm not a fan of pindadak, but this is okay. Sorry. That's some hangang in the middle. Around it is the raw marinated beef.
Now you take this egg. Put it on top.
try this tteokbokki place and the famous donut place. And then after that, I think we really need coffee because this jet lag is really hitting us hard.
Time after time 사랑에 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 많아 널 보며 지금 말야 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright, this feels good Good night, think we got something special And then make it harder, harder It's just better, it's just real
Making it all the way to the top, taking a cable car, and then soaking in the nighttime.
You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Then my fingers always losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. But now I am sure. If I spend all my days.
We're gonna try to remember where we put it.
2818. Right? So it's altogether 19 steps. Ready?
Right before the last step at the top.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
But you always keep a figment in my mind. Guiding me back.
Day 2 in Seoul.
7 seconds.
We're going to a popular tonkatsu place right now, and I heard this place is really popular. I'm excited. The line isn't too long, yeah. A lot of umbrellas. back to the tteokbokki place at gwangjang that we went to yesterday because it's that good. Even though I'm so full, I still want to try the tteokbokki one more time because we're probably not going to be around this area again. Hyundai. I've never been here before, but it's so big and it's so pretty. It's so cool. Wow. Honey, look at it from this view. So I'm going to B2, which has a lot of the popular pop-ups that happen every so often. They have a lot of well-known brands. So I'm gonna browse here first. Also a popular photo booth spot where you get to make your own student ID card. It's really cute. I would do it if my lips were not busted or swollen from my procedure. Marita is next. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Wow guys, Hyundai Seoul was amazing. We spent like 3 hours there, but I think I could easily spend the whole day there by myself because 3 hours just went by so quickly. I'll share everything that I got in a separate haul video. Now we came back to, I don't know where we are. We're gonna try to snag a table at Kumdaeji, which is a really famous samgyeopsal place. But apparently the lines can get really long and people wait about an hour just to get in. So we'll see how long our wait time will be, but I'm pretty excited for dinner because we haven't had like KBBQ just yet. Okay, I'll see you at Kumdaeji.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because they know.
They're full for today. We have to come back tomorrow. What should we eat today then?
I have an idea.
Where?
Let's go to banpo and do the like chicken and ramyun or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
Baby, 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 it's plain to see that I get starstruck in your building. It's taken a year, but you don't understand how it makes me feel when I hold you. Tell me,
set up the spread.
we're getting bitten alive right now, but the view and the atmosphere is really nice if you come here as a couple. Did you get bit? Right in front of us, there's actually a light show because we came to the banpo fountain location, and I think every 15 minutes. Oh my god, the dog!
I see you pulling up to meet me in your car.
That is Namsan Tower, and right here is banpo Rainbow Bridge.
I know we're friends, but baby, something's on my mind. So I apologize for taking all this time, but I got to tell you.